putting a nightclub quality sound system into an apartment is probably not the obvious move. It's probably one of the best decisions I've made, if I'm honest. High quality sound it just changes the way that you listen to music and what you hear in the music, and it's hard to go back to poor quality music from anywhere. When you sit in the apartment or dance in the apartment, it's just here rather than coming from a speaker. I think that's really a lot of the feedback I get and a lot of what I hear from people. And I think that for me kind of epitomised how I feel about the sound that's in here and the joy that it brings to me, and obviously to a whole bunch of other people as well. Certainly a case of if we put the sub on the ground and we have 6 apartments below us, it will be more of a problem than if it's suspended from the roof. So there's actually a whole bunch of baffling in that roof as well, because what we found when we first installed it was that the sound went into the roof and then echoed around the roof, and in some respects turned the whole roof into a speaker, which might have been more of a problem. So it's on coils now, which means it has, obviously it's not vibrating in the roof, but also, there's some padding up there which absorbs that a little bit.